Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Friday, January 12th. Interesting day on Thursday, as we talked about in the advanced video. The market has mixed feelings about some of those fundamentals that did come out. It's neutral setting in here in terms of the Russell. We saw directional moves in the other indices that we looked at in the advanced video, but let's talk about what's happening here. The stage is set for PPI, and we have some bank earnings coming out. So Friday could really be a volatile day. Plus, the market has to decide what they're going to do going into the weekend. So I find it interesting. Aussie dollar continues in a sideways move. It's a market that wants to go higher, but there's just no paper. Same thing holds true for Bitcoin. A market that you would expect to rally based on the ETF news that we talked about, but here, just not happening at this point. Also a neutral setting. Oh, let's talk about gold for a minute. It did trade above its buy level. That dollar difference is $1,062.50 for that market. Depending on how the market responds on Friday, we could see this firming up. If yields go down, look for higher prices here. And when it comes to copper, it traded above its buy level. That difference there in that market, $2,500 a contract. Look for a sideways move here. The fundamentals just aren't there to support that market. Nat gas trying to get its way higher. Got a lot of cold weather across the United States and stimulus to create that kind of movement, but so far it really hasn't caught on yet. So look for a sideways to higher move as we go into this weekend. And when it comes to soybeans, a market that I thought we'd start to get a rally just isn't there because the fundamentals aren't there. Again, just keep your eyes on the weather that we're seeing in Brazil and Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay. Those areas there are a big deal when it comes to this market. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you very much for joining me. Hope you found something helpful. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.